Digital circuits, latches. There are two types of memory element based on the type of triggering that is suitable to operate it. Latches and flip-flops. Latches operates with enable signal which is label sensitive, whereas flip-flops are age sensitive. We will discuss about flip-flops in next chapter. Now let us discuss about SR latch and D latch one by one. SR latch. SR latch is also called as set reset latch. This latch affects the outputs as long as the enables E is the maintained at 1. The circuit diagram of SR latch is shown in the following figure. AND gate, NAND gate, R, E and S as input, QT and QT bar or dash is outputs. The circuit has two inputs S and R and two outputs QT and QT dash. The upper NOR gate has two inputs R and complement of present state QT dash and produces next state QT plus 1 when enable E is 1. Similarly, the lower NOR gates has two inputs S and present state QT and produces complement of next state QT plus 1 when enable E is 1. We know that a two input NOR gate produces an output which is the complement of another input when one of the input is 0. Similarly, it produces 0 output when one of the input is 1. If S equal to 1, then next state QT plus 1 will be equal to 1 irrespective of present state QT values. If R equal to 1, then next state QT plus 1 will be equal to 0 irrespective of present state QT values. At any time, only of those two inputs should be 1. If both inputs are 1, then the next state QT plus 1 valued is undefined. The following table shows the state table of SR latch. S R QT plus 1 when S0 R0 then QT, when S0 R1 then QT plus 1 0, when S1 R0 then QT plus 1 1, when S R both 1 then the value is nil. Therefore, SR latch performs three types of function such as hold, set and reset based on the input condition. Next, D latch. There is one drawback of SR latch. That is the next state value cannot be predicted when both the inputs S and R are 1. So, we can overcome this difficulty by D latch. It is also called as data latch. The circuit diagram of D latch is shown in the following figure. NOT, AND gate and NAND gate. Input D, E, output QT and QT dash or bar. This circuit has single input D and two outputs QT and QT dash. D latch is obtained from SR latch by placing an inverter between S amp and R input and connect D input to S. That means we eliminated the combination of S and R are of same value. If D equal to 0, S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, then next state Qt plus 1 will be equal to 0 irrespective of present state. Qt values. This is corresponding to the second row of SR latch state table. If D equal to 1, S equal to 1 and R equal to 0, then next state Qt plus 1 will be equal to 1 irrespective of present state. Qt values. This is corresponding to the third row of SR latch state table. The following table shows the state table of D latch. D Qt plus 1, when D is 0, then Qt plus 1 0, when D 1, then Qt plus 1 1. Therefore, D latch hold the information that is available on data input D. That means the output of D latch sensitive to the changes in the input D as long as the enable is high. In this chapter, we implemented various latches by providing the cross coupling between NOR gates. Similarly, you can implement these latches using NAND gates.